उपस्थमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नो दिवि सीदसादनम् महागणपतये नमः। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्र्यवतु आनो दिवो बृहतः पर्वतादा सरस्वती यजता गन्तु यज्ञम् वाग्देव्यै नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ शन्नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः सुष्ठुवागंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ तच्छयोरावृणीमहे गातु यज्ञाय गातु यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वञ्जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शञ्चतुष्पदे। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
अमृतानन्दात्मिका ईश्वरी। ॐ अमृतेश्वर्यै नमः। 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 ॐ अमृतेश्वर्यै नमः।
Our school has 4 houses, namely Amritamai, Anandamai, Chinmai and Jyotirmai. Under these houses, different sports events were held, and the house which excelled is Chinmai for the academic year 2017-18 under the very efficient guidance of our house teachers, Mrs. Sangeeta ma'am and Mrs. Meenal ma'am, and the efficient leadership of house captain Master Ashik. May I now request Mrs. Shruti Hegde ma'am to hand over the overall championship trophy. Please put your hands together and cheer them for none other than our own Mrs. Sangeeta ma'am and Mrs. Meenal ma'am and house captain Master Ashik. Thank you, ma'am.
At the outset, let us pray salutations to Her Holiness Shri Mata Amritanandamayi Devi for giving inspiration to all of us and for being the pride of India. Amma is the highest form of teacher, a Jagat Guru, imparting true knowledge to the world, imparting education for life and education for livelihood. The elaborative annual report rendered by the principal truly reflects the fulfillment of vision and dream of Her Holiness Amma. I would like to quote Shri Rabindranath Tagore. Children are living beings, more living than grown-up people who have built shells of habit around themselves. Therefore, it is absolutely necessary for their mental health and development that they should not have mere schools for their lessons, but a world whose guiding spirit is personal love. I am extremely happy to note that motto of the school matches the principles of Tagore. Another aspect which is very important for a child is that child should be given full freedom to pursue their creative instincts. If we analyze the life story of great men and women, we would see that they got freedom in their early formative years. Einstein was an erratic child. Thomas Alva Edison was mischievous. Marconi was naughty. Winston Churchill was a very average student. However, all of them went on to become great in their respective field. The list is long, and it also includes our father of nation, Mr. Mahatma Gandhi, who, as all of us know, was a very average student, yet he could ignite and unite minds of millions and freed India from colonial bondage. I extend my best wishes to all the students of Amrita Vidyalayam for their future and great success in their endeavors. I once again thank management and principal for inviting me and giving me the opportunity to interact with such a wonderful audience. Thank you.
My future of the country is very safe. Today, the world is changing in a different atmosphere. we need to ready to take a new challenges in life, for which we should make our foundation very strong. I was speaking to our chief guest today, Dr. Ashok Hegde, that one of my closest relative is studying in his institution. Then he asked me, is it a donation seat or is it a merit seat? I told him it's a merit seat, sir. And I said, because of NEET, implementation of NEET program by Government of India, even as he addressed in the meeting, addressed in his speech, the average student who has got multi-talented student is having an opportunity to become a doctor today in our country, which our parents and students have to realize this now. I can see that the Amrita Vidyalayam students are ready to accept the challenges in their academic career with a lot of blessing by our beloved Amma, Mata Amritanandamai. When I had visited Amritanandamai in the last month, during her 64th birthday, she has given a message to the world. The science and the spirituality should go together in the world. Then we can build a very strong country. I would like to say that the students who are studying in this institution, they are getting both the education in the single platform. They are very lucky that the students are studying in Amrita Vidyalaya. We need to make our students into multinational, multi-talented product. The institution will definitely hard work on the same in the coming future. This I would like to express being a member of management committee. So I appreciate Amrita University is recognized as one of the best university in the world. Finally, I thank all of you.
स्नेहालोकसुमोहनवदना करुणाद्राणतनयनां रम्या श्रुतजनपालनव्यघ्रां सौम्या अमृतानन्दमयीं प्रणमामि अमृतानन्दमयीं प्रणमामि. I offer my humble prostrations at the lotus feet of our beloved mother. I also offer my humble pranams to the distinguished guests on the dais and the members of the Amrita fraternity present here. We take a brief moment before the grand event starts for reflection on some thoughts of philosophies that's responsible for the making of Amrita, the cord that binds all of us here, the reason why we are proudly present here. The field of education and research that Amma, a founder as well as the Chancellor of Amrita University, is involved in, has only one motive: to make our lives richer and happier. In other words, to improve the basic quality of our life. Amrita University, in a very short span of time, continues to stand #1 private university of India. Amma has been accredited with the reversal of brain drain even in the media of the Gulf countries. I would like to quote the article in Khalij Times International dated 10th December 2011, titled "4th Standard Dropout Leading Brain Drain Reversal." Just like to read 2 paragraphs of this article that had come up. Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh's call to Indian scientists living abroad to return to India to help the country break into the big league of developed countries did not bring many despite many incentives. But a woman who has studied only up to 4th standard is bringing some best brains back. I conclude by offering these words at the lotus feet of Amma with a prayer that we make every day for the peace and welfare of all living beings. Om लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुसखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव।
You are my father and my mother. You are my family and my friend. You are my knowledge and my wealth. You are my all God of gods. You are my India.
ವಿವಿಧತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಧರ್ಮ ಜಾತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಉಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಿದ ತಾಯಿ ನಮ್ಮವಳು. ಕಲೆ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗತ್ತನ್ನೇ ಬೆರಗಾಗಿಸಿದ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಇಂಥ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸುವ ಮೊದಲು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರಮ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಆ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕನಾದ ಗಣಪತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ತುತಿಸೋಣ.
गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्व